Hello, this is Eben Jocelyn with LaserPro's technical support showing the replacement procedure for HP M607 8 and 9 series maintenance kit. Disconnect the interface and power cables from the printer. Then open the rear door. Remove the fuser assembly by pressing the release tabs. Install in reverse order. You will hear a click when the assembly locks into place. Next, locate and unlock the two blue clips to remove and replace the transfer roller. Making note not to touch the black surface of the roller. You will hear a click when it locks into place. Lower the roller axis cover to expose the pickup and separation rollers. Then first remove the separation roller by sliding it to the left until it unlocks. Next, locate and pull down the blue tab to unlock the pickup roller assembly, then slide it to the left to remove it. Then install the new roller. Locate and press the blue release lever to lock the pickup roller back into place. Next, install the separation roller, making sure the opening in the roller fits over the white tab on the printer rail. Then slide it to the right until it locks into place. Reconnect the interface and power cables. To ensure the kit was installed correctly, print out a configuration page.
Thank you for watching. For more tech tip videos and other reference materials, go to laserpros.com and visit our technical resource section.